Hello all, I'm Tony from Sightmark. Today I want to present you our 4K series of digital night vision riflescopes. RAID 4K series are digital riflescopes. Digital riflescopes can be used both during the day and during the night. To extend your performance during the night, you will have to use the infrared illuminators, as you can see, the one attached here or the one attached over there on the other unit. I will start with the 4K Max model. This is a 3-24 by 50 digital riflescope, again, that can be used during the day or during the night. It boasts a 50mm objective, and the body is made out of aluminum housing, which is very robust and watertight. When we walk around the unit, we will see that there is a Picatinny slot here on the left side that you can attach your IR illuminator, also supplied in the box. On the top, there is the controller. Those can be used as a button to access menus and to scroll through them. On the left side, you also have the button that triggers the recording of the unit, because that unit can also do recording, and it saves it on this side under the rubber cap on that SD card slot. On that side, you also have the power button, and you have the USB connector for additional power source. When we came to power source, the unit has an internal battery that, when fully loaded, can go of around 8 hours of non-stop work. On the back, we have the dioptric corrector, and attached to it the rubber eyepiece. On the front side, we have the parallax corrector or the parallax focus wheel. On the front of the objective, we can see the daytime filter. This is a screw-in filter that's made to boast the sharpness of the image when used throughout the day. When you're using the unit through the night, you simply have to unscrew the filter and take it off, thus allowing all the light to be gathered by the objective. The unit comes with a Picatinny mount on the bottom, but if you're planning on using the unit on bolt action rifles, we highly recommend that you go for the extended mount, which brings you that eye relief that you usually won't have with the direct mount. The 4K Max, given the name of it, views and records in 4K resolution. You can also have up to 200 frames per second videos recorded, which means that you can do slow motion videos afterwards, or the unit can do it for yourself. It can go all the way down to 60 frames per second, and you can go from 4K to HD. All the videos you record with the 4K Max will come with sound from the supplied microphone on the top. The unit has a built-in compass, so you know exactly the position where you're pointing at. You can control the intensity of the infrared by turning the knob on the back with 3 sections or 3 positions. It goes from off to minimum to mid and to maximum. On the front, you have the focus of the beam. You can tighten it down for longer ranges, and you can go up to 400 meters at night, or you can widen it up so it fills the full picture. The 4K Max unit, as any other RAID unit, comes with 10 reticles in different colors, so it's very user-friendly. Now let me show you the new model that we just released, called the 4K Mini. As the name implies, the size of the unit is smaller than the Max model. It's actually 2 times smaller and half the weight. This is the most compact unit of our production line, and it still boasts the same 4K sensor you can find in the 4K Max. This configuration of the Mini is a 2-16 by 32. 32 meaning that the front objective is 32mm. On the front of the objective, we can see the protective flip-up cap. Just behind it, there is the parallax correction wheels. Now the unit comes supplied standard with a throw lever for ease of use. Under the rubber cover, we have a micro SD slot and a USB. When we close the cover, we see that behind it there is a small lid that gives us access directly to the USB, thus not compromising the waterproofing of the unit when you're using it with power bank. On top of the unit, we see the control buttons. They consist of a central button, which you can use for on and off button, menu button, and enter button. And you have 4 arrows that you can scroll around. On the back side we see the dioptric corrector and also the flip-up cap on the eyepiece. We can also use a rubber cover that's applied in the box. Let's go to the other side of the unit where we have our power module that stores our batteries. The battery life per set of batteries is going to be around 4.5 hours. The 4K Mini comes with 14 different options of reticles, 4 of which are in first focal plane. The unit also comes with 5 profiles for zeroing, which you can use for different loads, different cartridges, different rifles, or different distances. You can use them for bullet drop compensation. All of our rate digital rifle scopes come with 3-year warranty.